Okay. So, dear student, yesterday we have discussed about the tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. Okay. So, yesterday our topic was the tropical evergreen forest is found in the tropical areas. Tropical area, you know very well which area known as the tropical. Always green, receive heavy rainfall more than the 200 centimeter we have discussed. So which area receive the 200 centimeter? All these forests are found. Okay. Like such forests are found in the eastern part of Himalaya, western Ghats.
Good
अगर
morning,
बिहार
sir.
district, yeah, hello. So this type of forest are found in the heavy rainfall area. If you discuss regarding the India, so such forests are found inside Western Ghats, eastern part, Andaman, Nicobar, Lakshadweep. Okay. If you discuss to the world concern, so during in the world, these forests are found close to the equator. Those countries are located close to the equator. Equator के close to the country located है such type of forest are found. What are the characteristics of this forest? This forest are too much dense. These forests are too much dense. With sunlight can't approach till the ground level. Okay, always green. They never shed their leaves in any season. Okay. So these are the tropical evergreen forest yesterday we have discussed. Second forest we have discussed tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous. अब deciduous means what? These forests are found the 100 centimeter rainfall. Rainfall is not given in your book. So these forests are known as the tropical deciduous forest, which shed their leaves in particular season. ये अपनी पत्तियां नीचे गिरा देते हैं in particular season. और such forest shed their leaves 6 to 8 weeks.
Good morning, sir.
This forest set their leaves in that area. What type of the deciduous trees are found like people, neem, sisam? These are found in the India, mid part of like a central part of India, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, UP, some part of Deccan Plateau. Okay. In world concern, if you discuss, so these forests are found in Australia, Northern America, or Central India. So this is known as the tropical deciduous forest found. What are the wildlife are found? Wildlife are found in this area: tiger, lions, elephant, monkey. So these are the wildlife. So yesterday, before today's, I was given the one assignment कि you will make the tables. So you will write the name of forest in which where in which region they are found. Write the two or three plants name, two or three wildlife name is the animal name. So it will be easy to learn. I hope you have completed this assignment or not.
Yes, sir. I have completed the
Very good.
assignment.
So it easy to learn here. ये बहुत इजी हो जाएगा आपको इस चैप्टर को लर्न करना. नहीं तो either then what happens, all forest will be mix up. सब mix up हो जाएंगे कि what, क्योंकि in some forest plants are common, animals are common in few forest. Okay. Next one we have discussed temperate evergreen. अब जैसे ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन होता है, ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडियस. एजिड टू पार्ट कर दीजिए, टेम्परेट एवरग्रीन, टेम्परेट डेसिडियस. तो टेम्परेट एवरग्रीन फाउंड इन टेम्परेट एरिया. ओके. विच एरिया टेम्परेट एवरग्रीन? दोज रिसीव द रेनफॉल और मे बी द मॉइस्चर, जहां पे रेनफॉल और मॉइस्चर होगा. ओके. तो दिस फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड मोस्टली कॉमन इन द साउथ ईस्ट यूएसए, साउथ चाइना. चाइना में, यूएसए में इस टाइप के फॉरेस्ट मिलते हैं. व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल लाइक ओक, पाइन और यूकेलिप्टस आर एग्जांपल ऑफ सच वेजिटेशंस. तो टेम्परेट एवरग्रीन यस्टरडे वी हैव डिस्कस. नेक्स्ट वेजिटेशन इज द टेम्परेट डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट. अब टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द न्यू टॉपिक फ्रॉम द टेम्परेट डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट. So yesterday we have discussed tropical. First point लेना tropical. तो tropical evergreen forest we have discussed. Tropical deciduous forest we have discussed. Temperate evergreen forest we have discussed. अब temperate deciduous forest today we are going to discuss. So such type of forest are found deciduous in temperate area. Those trees they shed their leaves in that area. Like USA, China are common example of this. New Zealand are also example. ये मिलते हैं यूएसए, चाइना, न्यूजीलैंड in such area, and they shed their leaves during the summer season. Sir, we will make notes. You will make the table, dear. Notes I will send. You will make the tables. Okay. So what type of they shed their leaves in particular season? What type of the animals are found? Deer, foxes. Such animals are found in that area. जैसे fox मिलती है, लोमड़ी, deer, such type of wildlife are found in this area. अब next one आता है Mediterranean vegetation. You know the name of the major sea? You know the name of the major sea? Okay. Dead Sea known by which name? It is known by which name?
Mediterranean Sea.
Very good.
The Mediterranean Sea.
Mediterranean Sea. Why? Because all side is surrounded by the land part. Or this also play the important role for it during the winter. Those winds flow from that direction. That is known as the western disturbance. Or our India receive the rainfall through the Mediterranean Sea. That is known as the western disturbance. In the month of December or January, those rainfall we receive. That is known as the western disturbance. वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस बोला जाता है जो इंडिया में रेनफॉल होगी इन नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स एरिया. व्हाई दिस हैपेंड? ड्यू टू द जेट स्ट्रीम, बट इट इज नॉट इन योर सिलेबस, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट डिस्कसिंग हियर. तो मेडिटेरेनियन सी, दिस एरिया रिसीव द रेनफॉल ड्यूरिंग द डेली पौष्टिक मॉइस्चर आर फाउंड और सच टाइप ऑफ वेजिटेशंस और वेजिटेबल एंड फ्रूट्स आर ग्रोन इन दैट एरिया. दैट एरिया स्पेशली फेमस फॉर द फ्रूट्स. Or this is known as the Mediterranean vegetation. This is located in the close to the Asia part, Western Asia. Okay, Europe, Southern Europe, and so this area known as Africa part, Africa to above. So such vegetations are found on the border of the Asia, Africa, and Europe continent. Or what type of vegetation? Vegetation means that area is the famous for fruit cultivation. यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा वर्ल्ड का फ्रूट कल्टीवेशन होता है इन दैट एरिया. तो what type of the fruits are found? Here the orange, grapes, commonly cultivated here, figs, olives. So these are the fruits, grapes, orange, or these are the fruits famous mostly product in that area. So this vegetation is known as the Mediterranean vegetations. Mediterranean vegetations are found in the east and northeast of the margin of continent covered by the temperate forest. Okay, so these vegetations are found here, but same climatic condition also found in other continent. Suppose जो climatic condition बेटा इस जगह की है, same climatic condition may be found in other part of areas. So that vegetations also known as the Mediterranean vegetation, like California. In California, in Africa, same climatic conditions are found. So that is known as the Mediterranean vegetations. उसको भी हम क्या बोलेंगे? Mediterranean vegetation बोलते हैं. अब कहाँ-कहाँ ऐसी climatic condition मिलेगी? In California, in USA, Southwest Africa, southwestern part of South America, such type of climatic conditions are found. But there is the no such mostly wildlife are found. यहाँ पे wildlife ज़्यादा नहीं होती है. Wildlife मतलब animal or like this wildlife नहीं है. तो this vegetation known as the Mediterranean vegetation. अब I am giving the one more example कि like a tundra vegetation mostly found polar region. एक टुंड्रा वेजिटेशन होती है जो मोस्टली ग्रो ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन फॉर ए शॉर्ट पीरियड. टुंड्रा वेजिटेशन ग्रो फॉर ए शॉर्ट पीरियड और वेयर दिस वेजिटेशंस आर फाउंड पोलर रीजन या maybe close to the pole side. But such vegetations also found at the Himalaya. Why? Because same climatic conditions, जैसे top part of Himalaya या high latitudes, या we can say altitudes, altitudes means height. At the top part of the Himalaya, high altitudes, such type of vegetations are found due to the same climatic condition also created by the Himalaya or on that area. In minus में जो temperature होता है like a Siachen or top part of that. So this is known as the tundra vegetation. So tundra vegetations also found at the Himalaya. So sometime what happened here, some vegetation may be known by the that area जैसे Mediterranean Sea है. तो what type of vegetations are found in the Mediterranean Sea? That is known as the Mediterranean vegetation. But as a same climatic condition may be found other place of the continent or maybe in any country, so same variety of vegetations also found. It known by the same name like a Mediterranean vegetation. तो मैंने example दिया like a California in Africa part. Okay, such vegetations are found. So today we have discussed temperate deciduous and Mediterranean vegetation. Next one is the coniferous forest. Coniferous forests are mostly found in such area which latitude are the 50 to 70 degree. 50 to 70 latitude, जो एरिया 50 to 70 latitudes पे लोकेटेड है. 23, 45 and 65 is the approximately between that area. Such vegetations are found. Height ज्यादा तो which type of coniferous forest are found? तो which type of in shape of the cone like this. Such trees are found in such shape, like in the shape of cone. Okay, in the shape of cone. That's why this is known as the coniferous forest. Okay, so it is found at the high latitude, 50 to 70 latitude, and northern hemisphere. Such type of vegetations are found. For example, it may be seen on the high latitude where the Salima has observed. Salima जब visit करी थी तो such vegetations are found at the Himalaya part also. ऐसी vegetations हिमालय पे भी मिलती है mostly due to the height. Due to the high latitude, such vegetations are found. Like such vegetations are found at the Himalaya. Or what are the useful? This is the soft trees. इसकी जो wood होती है बेटा, it is the soft trees होती है. Coniferous forest जो होता है, soft trees होती है. तो these trees are utilized to make a newspaper, matchbox, packing box. तो give region में there is the one question given in your exercise कि which forest are useful for to make the newspaper or maybe the packing boxes और मैच बॉक्सेस. जो मैच बॉक्सेस आते हैं तो इसी सॉफ्ट ट्रीज के बनते हैं. सच ट्रीज आर फाउंड. तो दिस इज फाउंड इन द कॉनिफरस फॉरेस्ट. what type of the animal or cattle are found in that area, like a pine, kedar. These are the example of the trees. Or silver fox are found, polar bear are found in that area, क्योंकि बहुत हाई लेटीट्यूड्स हो जाता है, कोल्ड एरिया हो गया बेटा। तो इन कोल्ड एरिया पोलर रीजन आ जाता है क्लोज में, क्योंकि 90 डिग्री क्या है, पोलर रीजन है, और 70 डिग्री तक सच वेजिटेशन आर फाउंड। तो डिफरेंस कितना बचा, 20 लेटीट्यूड। तो इन सच रीजन्स fox silver fox are found, polar bear are found. These are the common animal or wildlife are found in that area. So today we have discussed the three category of the forest. Now we are changing our topic. We are going to discuss about the grassland. अब हम grassland study करेंगे. So if you have any doubt regarding the forest, you may be asked. The easy to make the tables only, क्योंकि इट इज डिफिकल्ट टास्क डियर टू लर्न द कंट्रीज, क्योंकि ये जो वेजिटेशन जो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन दिस चैप्टर, ओक ट्रीज आल्सो यूज्ड टू मेक द फर्नीचर, यस। और मोस्टली जो क्रिकेट बैट, दिस आर विच टाइप ऑफ ट्रीज दे यूज, और सच टाइप ऑफ वेजिटेशन और ट्रीज आर फाउंड इन न्यूजीलैंड, मोस्टली न्यूजीलैंड एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया। तो न्यूजीलैंड की जो ट्रीज होते हैं मोस्टली इन कोल्ड रीजन, तो such trees are used to make the cricket bat or like shade trees बोलते हैं उनको। And today miss how do we learn this chapter बेटा? It is difficult to learn कि in which nation such vegetations are found, so it better write the common name, okay? So write one or two countries name कि such vegetations are found। अब जैसे मेडिटेरेनियन है, तो मेडिटेरियन एरिया आप खुद अपने माइंड मैप में सेट कर लीजिए कि दिस इज सराउंडेड बाय द 3 कॉन्टिनेंट, ओके। व्हेन नेम्स कम द ट्रॉपिकल एरिया, तो दोस कंट्री आर लोकेटेड ऑन द ट्रॉपिकल लाइन, उन कंट्रीज के नेम लिख दीजिए, लाइक इंडिया, ब्राजील, ओके, और सम पार्ट ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया। व्हेन टू द टेम्परेट, तो टेम्परेट मीन्स द 45 latitude, those countries are located on 45 latitude, like in northern America part, okay, some part of the Eurasia, mid part of Asia, mid part of the Europe, like England or such countries. तो you just make your animations बना के चलो, आप माइंड मैप बना के चलो, ओके। तो it you able to learn this chapter. अब नेक्स्ट आता है grassland. So there are two types of grassland. Those grassland are found in tropical area, so tropical grassland. Or those grassland are found in temperate area, so temperate grassland. Grassland, okay. Up you know very well which area known as the tropical. If grassland are found between the 0 to tropical line, so tropical grassland होगा। If grassland are found in the temperate line 45 latitude, known as the temperate grassland. अब डिफरेंस क्या होगा, सिंपल सा है। इफ यू सीन द डिस्कवरी चैनल, तो यू नो अफ्रीका जो कॉन्टिनेंट है, इन अफ्रीका कॉन्टिनेंट वी हैव सीन द सच टाइप ऑफ ग्रासेस, लाइक और कलर लाइक ए ब्राउन कलर और येलो कलर होता है, सच ग्रासेस, ड्राई ग्रासेस होती है। तो सच ग्रासेस आर टॉल मींस द 2 और 3 मीटर की हाइट होती है, 3 और 6 मीटर अप्रोक्सीमेटली यू हैव सीन इन डिस्कवरी चैनल, ओके। तो डिस्कवरी चैनल में जो अफ्रीका है, अफ्रीका लोकेटेड एट द ट्रॉपिकल एरिया, यू नो वेरी वेल। तो सच ग्रासलैंड आर नोन एज द ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड। अब विच कंट्री आर लोकेटेड ऑन द टेम्परेट एरिया, ओके बेटा। अब सीधा योर ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज लोकेटेड ऑन 23.5, विच द ऑस्ट्रेलिया कॉन्टिनेंट लोकेटेड 23.5 because Tropic of Capricorn passes from the Australia, like okay. अब बिलो द 23 यानी 45 लेटीट्यूड्स पे क्या होता है, टेम्परेट एरिया होता है। तो इसके नीचे कौन सा कंट्री हुआ, न्यूजीलैंड। अब यू हैव सीन इन द योर डेस्कटॉप और लाइक ए जो डेस्कटॉप थीम हम यूज करते हैं, तो ग्रीन ग्रास, लाइक ए ग्रीन कलर, लाइक ए स्मॉल ग्रासेस, ग्रीन ग्रासेस जो वी हैव सीन इन नॉर्दर्न अमेरिका, लाइक ए प्रेरी ग्रासलैंड, ओके। ग्रासलैंड आर फाउंड इन द न्यूजीलैंड, लाइक ए ग्रीन ग्रासलैंड। तो सच ग्रासलैंड नोन एज द temperate grassland. So this is the major difference between the temperate and the tropical. So rest of topic we'll discuss tomorrow. कि which grassland known by the which name, tomorrow we will discuss. जैसे सेंट्रल एशिया में जो ग्रासलैंड मिलती है that is known by the steppe, savanna grassland, wild grassland and prairies grassland, pampas grassland. So these are the different name of grassland. So today we will discuss about the grassland and NCERT solution. Okay, if we are able to complete the chapter. So dear, have a good day. Tomorrow we will continue with the grassland. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day.